I'm Amber Sousen, president of Urban Sketchers. We all have our own reasons for being drawn to urban sketching. Communing with nature, connecting with fellow artists around the world, expanding our horizons, and capturing moments of everyday life and travel. One thing we all agree on, being part of Urban Sketchers has improved our lives.
Everyone was so welcoming, and that really helped me make Minnesota home. Yeah.
That's why we're starting the Urban Sketchers 10K plus 10K matching fund campaign to help bring the joy and satisfaction of on-location drawing to even more people around the world. Thanks to a $10,000 matching grant from an anonymous donor, we've started this challenge. For every dollar we raise up to $10,000, our generous donor will match our donations, which means if we can raise $10,000, our donor will give us another $10,000. But we have to hurry and raise $10,000 by June 8th to get the full matching grant. At Urban Sketchers, our mission has always been to elevate the artistic, storytelling, and educational value of on-location drawing. And while we have over 220 cities represented among our regional chapters, not everyone can afford or has access to our workshops. That's where your donation comes in. Imagine how many free events we could host for schools, organizations, and communities if we raised $20,000.
This is a great opportunity just to introduce sketching. It's so liberating in a lot of ways.
So please, support the Urban Sketchers 10K plus 10K matching fund campaign. Any amount gets us closer to earning that $10,000 matching grant. But hurry, we only have until June 8th. To donate, click the link below this video, and after you do, please join us on social media and tell us how Urban Sketchers has changed your life.
I really enjoy slowing down when I'm traveling, and sketching is a great way to pause and see what's going on in the city.
Urban sketching to me is more about the experience than the actual drawing. It's the connection, it's the community, it's the social aspect of it.
I'm Amber Sousen. Thanks for watching, and thank you for helping show the world one drawing at a time.